Once you have the car up in the air securely, we'll start off by removing the 3 main 14mm nuts holding the catback exhaust to the front pipe or crossover pipe. So feel free to lubricate the exhaust hangers even before you start, just to let the oil soak in a little bit, make it easier to take off the hangers. Next, we'll go ahead and locate a jack or something to support the exhaust system, as we're going to be removing the exhaust hangers. And we'll continue doing so with the remaining 4 hangers. To make things a little bit easier to manage, we'll go ahead and unbolt the driver's side rear muffler and remove the hanger on that as well. And before completely unscrewing the nut, make sure you have something supporting the muffler. And finally, we'll remove the rearmost hangers on both the passenger and driver's side rear mufflers.